hope you're all doing well. So today I am back with another Zara haul. I pretty much do these monthly, but I've been buying quite a lot. I've got two massive online orders to show you guys. These are the two big boxes. Bless my postman, had to lug these around with him. Poor Barry, he comes with like a little cart and he drags it down my road and I see the Zara parcels on it and I'm like, bless him, he is such a sweetheart, my postman. He brings me parcels every single day, doesn't moan. So I'll link everything down below that I mentioned, and yeah, let's get on with the video now. So first item I have is this little bag. How cute is it? It's from Zara, obviously, I don't know why I said that, it's a Zara haul. But it's this like cute little wicker straw bag, perfect for summer. I think it was about £25. Does come with a chain strap so you can wear it over the shoulder or whatever, or you can just hold it like this or like that. Very sophisticated, I feel. But yeah, I love it. It opens like that. You can fit your purse, your phone, all of that stuff in it. And yeah, I'm in love with it. I think it's really cute for summer, and yeah, I've been wearing it a lot lately. So let's go on to something I'm wearing. So this little bodysuit under this like mesh top is from Zara as well. So I think it was about, I don't think it was too much, maybe like 15, 16. It is on the revealing side when you wear it like by itself. I just rewatched the try on I did and my boob is pretty much out. Like I had nipple covers on, so nothing is actually out, but it is pretty much out. I mean, you definitely need to wear like tit tape if you're going to wear it out, because otherwise things are going to be popping out that you don't want to pop out. The other con to it is that it doesn't have poppers like on the bottom. I mean, I don't know why they make bodysuits without them. It's just such an inconvenience. It makes going to the toilet so hard. Like you have to pretty much strip when you need to go to the toilet. Like jeans come off, the whole thing comes off. So yeah, pretty annoyed about that. So Zara, definitely put poppers on all your bodysuits. But I also got another bodysuit from Zara. This one does have poppers, so they can do it. They can do the poppers, Zara. They just don't want to. But yeah, this one is white and then it has lace kind of around the neck. I love this as well. How much was it? It was £12.99. How good is that? And I got it in a size small, and then I also got the bodysuit I've got on in a size small. Probably would have got the medium if I'd have known it would be so like revealing, but there's not really much I can do about it now. But yeah, so I love this one as well, just tucked into jeans or like a skirt. I think looks super cute. Let's move on to some trousers. Now, I've been loving flared trousers recently. Not like really flared, just subtle flare to them. So I picked up these white ones from Zara. So they look like that, and then the leg just kind of goes out a little bit at the ankle. They were £39, so definitely not the cheapest. And I got them in an extra small. They fit perfectly for me, but the only thing is the pockets show through like the trousers, so you can see the pockets, which really annoys me because I love them so much. But with the pockets showing through, I'm not sure I might return them because of that reason, which is pretty damn annoying. And then I also got them in black, but for some reason the black don't fit me. They're exactly the same style. I got them in the same size and everything. These just don't fit me around the waist. I cannot do the button up. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on there, why the different colours are different sizes. But I can't do a try on with these because they just don't fit. So this little item here, I am very happy with. Now, if you don't know, I am a tall girl. I am 5'9", which is not that tall in the great big scheme of things, but it is taller than your average height, and I just find finding shorts and skirts that aren't too short and don't show my bum cheeks, it's a hard task. But I found this little one. So this is a leather or like faux leather skirt, has a zip down the middle, it's in an A-line shape. And it is long enough for me, which is great. It was at £19.99. I got it in an extra small and it fits perfectly for me around the waist. Yeah, I'm in love with this. So if you are a tall girl, defo get this. Even if you're a shorter girl but just prefer things that are like a little bit longer and don't pretty much show your bum, then definitely check this out. Next item I got is this little dress. So summer is fast approaching, even though it is really miserable out at the moment. I'm not really sure where summer or spring has gone, but I'm still going to buy stuff for summer. So this is a little blue dress. So it has buttons down the front. It's like a mid-tone blue. It's not navy, but it's not like light blue. I have no idea what the colour is. It's in like a linen material, so it's going to be super cool for summer days. And this was $29.99. I got it in a small, however I wish I went down to an extra small. I might return this and get the extra small because it is just a little bit too big for me. And I mean, you can wear these dresses like big, it doesn't look bad, but I just would rather it be a little bit slimmer on kind of my waist area. So I got two hats. Now I love Baker Boy hats. I just think they make an outfit look 10 times better and you look really cool even if you aren't cool like me. It just makes you look like you're cool, you know what you're doing and all of that stuff. So I got two. These are, I think they're £16 each. Yeah. So definitely I would say on the pricier side for a hat, but I do love them. So this one is just black and white striped. And then this one is in a red corduroy, is it corduroy material? And what I love about Zara hats is that you can get them in different sizes. So I got them both in a size small, I think, because my head, I mean, it is pretty big, I would say, actually. I don't have a tiny head, but I just find that a lot of Baker Boy hats are really big on me. So I like that these ones come in different sizes and they actually fit. So as I mentioned earlier, I am quite tall and I find finding shorts really hard, but I need a good pair of denim shorts for summer. So Zara had quite a few in, so I did like a massive order of loads of the shorts in lots of different sizes because I didn't know which size I would be. So let me show you them and I'll tell you what ones I like, what ones I don't, what ones show your bum. So first pair is these blue denim shorts here, the same shorts, they're just in different sizes. So this is what they look like. I quite like them. I love the wash. However, they are just a bit too short for me on the bum area. And they aren't the most flattering on the bum area either. So I will be returning these. They were £26. However, I do think they'd be great if you're a little bit shorter, maybe like 5'6", something like that. Then I think these would be great. But if you are a little bit taller, then your bum will probably hang out the bottom. Now for these. So I got these in 3 different sizes because I had no idea which size I would be. They are the perfect pair of denim shorts for me. They fit perfectly. I think it's in the mum style. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, they're tight around the waist, super high waisted, but then long enough to hide your bum. And then because I love them so much, I also got them in the blue. So exactly same shorts, just different colour. If I'm being honest, the wash of them is not my favourite. I do prefer a lighter wash, but what can you do? Like, I will take what I can get. So again, I got them in a size 34, which is, I think, a size 6. I'm not sure. Or like an extra small. I would say these do come up quite big, so I feel like you can afford to go down a few sizes. But yeah, I love these, and yeah. The other pair of denim shorts I got are these ones here. Now these for me, they're just a bit tight. Not that they're too small, I just don't really like tight fitting shorts, and these are. And they are also quite short in the back as well, but they are nice. They do like button right down, so you can see the buttons when you have them on. And these were, how much? £17.99. So the next little top I have is this one here. So it's a knitted white top, slightly cropped, but I just think it looks great with denim shorts, denim jeans, just in the summer, casual kind of clothing. And it was £17.99 and I got it in a size small. And then I also got this little black top, which is pretty similar, but it's like a halter neck top. It's also in a knitted material, and this one was £15.99 and I also got it in a size small. Next item is this bodysuit here. So it's like a shirt blouse bodysuit in a white satin material. Now I think this would be great for just a night out, or like not really a night out but just dinner out, if you know what I mean. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has shoulder pads. I am not really a fan of shoulder pads, they just don't look good on me. They look good on other people but just not me, so I'm not sure if I'll keep it, but yeah, it was $29.95 and I got it in a size small. Okay, so now we're on to the last item. It is this Playsuit here. If I'm being honest, I really don't like this. I thought it was a dress, but it's not. It's a Playsuit and it just looks a bit like weird, and I'm like a baby in it, and yeah, it's just a bit too baggy everywhere and doesn't flow nice or anything like that. So I will be definitely returning this, but I'll tell you like my price and the sizing if you do like it. So it was $15.99 and I got it in a size small. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing everything I bought from Zara. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!